Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be diving deep into one of the simplest yet effective trading strategies, and that is none other than the 123 FX system, right? 123 FX system. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated trading systems, do not worry. The 123 FX system is designed to strip things back to basics while still giving you a powerful tool to identify reversals and continuation patterns. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this method to improve your trading approach. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow trading strategies and insights. Now let us jump right in. Let us start with the basics. What is the 123 FX system? The 123 FX system is a price action based strategy that focuses on identifying market structure, right? Market structure changes, to be precise. Now it's made up of 3 clear steps, right? 3 clear steps. 1. A new high or low is established. Remember, this is a trading system that functions with price action. Okay, so the first step is a new high or low has to be established. These are lows, right? These are lows, as we can see. These are lows in this particular bullish trend. Now, secondly, a retracement forms. All right, a retracement forms as the market pulls back. So what you should be watching out for is after a new high or low has been formed, it has to be at the end of the previous trend. Okay, it has to be at the end of a previous trend. For example, in this case, we had a bullish trend that just came to an end here right after the structure was broken, and after the break of structure we had a new low form. This is actually a support level, so you can see that this low coincided with this low. So we had a new low form here indicating the end of this bullish trend. All right, and then we have a retracement, right? A retracement to the upside, is a pullback from the new low. Now this is the new low that formed. So we had a new low, right? And then we had a pullback, right? And then at the end of that pullback, we can see that we had a continuation in the direction of the newly formed trend. So a breakout point confirms the reversal or continuation, giving you a clear signal to act. Now, these 3 steps form a simple logical sequence that helps you spot when a trend is about to change or continue. Now, the best part, this system works on any time frame and with any currency pair. Now, let's break down how to recognize the 1, 2, 3 pattern on your charts. The first step is the pivot point. All right, step 1 is the pivot point. Look for a significant high or low in the market. This is where the trend starts to change. All right, for example, you can see we had a significant high here, this resistance zone. All right, for example, in a downtrend, the market makes a new low and then starts to pull back. So you can see that we actually had a breakout to the downside, and then we had a pullback, up, because this is actually a newly formed sell trend. So we had a breakout to the downside and we had a pullback up before the continuation happened. Now, step 2 is the retracement. The price retraces, moving against the previous trend. During this stage, you are watching for a higher low. All right, you're watching for a higher low in a downtrend or a lower high in an uptrend. Okay, so let's just briefly go, to historical prices, because the structure is still in formation. The structure is still forming in this particular example. So let's just go to a historical example to see, if we can find these patterns exactly. All right. So after we have already identified our pivot point, remember, you have to have a significant high or low in the market. So for example, we have a significant high around here. All right. And then, like I said, the price we have to retrace, move against the previous trend. We had a bullish trend here, right? And then you're going to find, you know, a lower high in an uptrend. Remember, this is just an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend that was just coming to an end. So once the uptrend begins to form lower high, for example, you can see that we had a lower high. This was a high, this was a lower high, this was a lower high, this was a lower high, right? So once the lower high forms, it creates, the 2 in the pattern. Right? Remember, it's a 1, 2, 3 FX system. So once the lower high forms, it creates the 2 in the pattern. Then the step 3 is the breakout. All right, the price breaks out, above the retracement high or below the retracement low. So because this is a bearish breakout, so we're having a breakout to the downside. All right, we have a breakout to the downside. So this breakout confirms the pattern and signals a potential entry point, as we had price break below this bullish structure, right? As we had price break below this bullish structure, we can consider looking for sell opportunities. Now, to summarize, the 1, 2, 3 FX system gives you a roadmap to follow. First, identify the pivot. Next, wait for the retracement. Finally, act on the breakout. Now, let's talk about how to trade using this system. Okay. Number 1, reversal trades. When you spot the 1, 2, 3 pattern at the end of a trend, right, it's often a signal for a reversal. So you can enter the trade at the breakout point, all right, where you have the breakout, and place your stop loss just above the high of the retracement. That is for a sell breakout, right, or just below the low of the retracement for a bullish breakout. And then continuation trades, right? When you have continuation trades, the 1, 2, 3 pattern can also signal a continuation of the trend. For example, if you have an uptrend, all right, let's see, we have an uptrend here, right? Then the price pulls back and forms a higher low. Can you see? We have consistent higher lows, and then breaks out above the retracement high. All right. In an uptrend, the price pulls back, forms a higher low, and then breaks above the retracement high. The new highs keep on breaking above the previous highs. All right, so these setups are great for riding the momentum of a strong trend. So when you have noticed a continuation after the price is formed in a higher low and then broken above the previous high and formed another higher low, then consider entering a buy trade, setting stop loss right below the previous swing low, and you can target resistance zones for your take profit. All right. Now, finally, always pay attention to key support and resistance levels. Okay, levels of multiple rejections, minimum of 2 rejections actually. When you have levels where you had price getting rejected at least 2 times, those are important levels. All right. If the 1, 2, 3 pattern aligns with a major level, it increases the likelihood of a successful trade. So use confirmation tools like volume or candlestick patterns. You can actually use, any of such patterns just, for confirmation to strengthen your analysis. All right. Now you might be wondering, why does the 1, 2, 3 FX system work well? First, it is rooted in market psychology. The pattern reflects how traders react to changes in supply and demand, making it a good indicator of potential reversals or continuations. Second, it's simple. Unlike other strategies that require dozens of indicators, the 1, 2, 3 FX system focuses purely on price action. This simplicity allows you to make quicker, more confident decisions. And finally, it is versatile. Whether you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, the 123FX system can be adapted to your style and time frame. Now, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of this system. 1. Be patient. Wait for all 3 steps to form before entering a trade. Alright, jumping in too early can lead to unnecessary losses. Remember, the first step is to identify your pivot point. The next step is to wait for a retracement, and finally you have to wait for a breakout. Alright, so ensure that the 3 steps forms, okay? And then you have to backtest the system. Alright, practicing spotting the 1, 2, 3 pattern on historical charts, is going to help you build your confidence and improve your ability to recognize setups in real time. Also, use proper risk management. Even with a high probability system like this, risk management is key. Stick to a predetermined risk to reward ratio and never over leverage. Finally, combine with other tools. While the 123FX system is powerful on its own, pairing it with tools like moving averages or Fibonacci retracements can actually help enhance your accuracy. For example, if I'm going to add the moving average to the chart, you will see that moving average can actually serve as a confirmation tool for us, right? So for example, at this point, you can see that the moving average helped us to confirm our 3rd step. Right? Remember that you must identify your pivot point, identify your significant high or significant low, and you have to wait for a retracement. All right, and you can see at this point, the moving average actually helped us confirm the breakout, which is the 3rd step. Confirm the breakout for us. All right, the pivot point, the retracement, and the breakout. All right, and the moving average help confirm. So you can use confirmation tools just to strengthen your analysis. All right, now let's quickly go over some common mistakes traders make when using the 123FX system. 1. Forcing the pattern. Not every market move fits the 123 structure. If the setup is not clear, don't force it. Secondly, ignoring market context. Always consider the bigger picture. Check the overall trend, key levels, and news events that might impact the market. And then finally, stick to high quality setups. Avoid over trading. Avoid taking trades just for the sake of it. Okay? By avoiding these mistakes, you'll get much better results with the 123FX system. Okay? Now, the 123FX system is a straightforward and effective way to analyze price action and make informed trading decisions. By learning to identify the 3 stages, pivot, retracement, and breakout, you can confidently trade reversals and continuations across any market and time frame. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments, have you used the 123FX system before, or do you have any questions about how it works? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.